So, ito yung libro na natapos na natin. Tapos na to, naka-PDF na. The Power Within. So, Law of Attraction, Assumption, Quantum Leap, The Art of Enjoying the Now. So, kompleto na yan. Lahat ng mga dinidiscuss natin sa channel, nandito na. Ayan o. Inner power. So, ang kapangyarihan, nasa'yo talaga. Power ng iniisip mo, awareness, consciousness. Law of attraction, visualization, nandito rin. Gratitude din. Pati yung mga sinasabi nila, letting go. Tapos, identity and self-concept. Rewriting your story. So, yung old script mo, babaguhin mo. Para sa best version mo, may mental diet din. Quantum leap, parallel realities, yung nag-viral, ayan, nandito rin. Becoming your future self, removing limiting beliefs, o yan, nandyan din. Power ng present moment, final integration, peace over pressure. Ito mahalaga, final integration, kasi yan yung completeness, yung parang wala ka ng kailangan. Tapos, yung page number, nilagay din natin sa gilid, ayan o. Para mabilis nyo na makita. Yung mga ibang author nilalagay dito sa dulo eh. Well, hindi tayo conventional, hindi natin gagayahin yun dahil gusto natin convenient sa mga nagbabasa. Kung malabo mata mo, maduduling ka, di ba? Common sense naman yan. Tapos, nilagyan din natin yan ng back cover para kung gusto nyo i-print. So, kung gusto nyo i-print tong libro na to, ayan, i-print nyo. Meron kayong back cover. Law of Attraction. This book is your gentle reminder that the power to create the life you desire has always been within you. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and energy, you can transform your reality, take bold leaps into new possibilities, and truly enjoy the beauty of the now. Patay! So, yung author, basahin natin ano sinabi natin. A content creator with a mission to inspire and provide value through self-development content. I share insights, motivation, and practical strategies for personal growth, success, and creating a better life. So, yun lang. Abangan nyo to. Ipopost ko nun. Nasa bio ko naman yung yung mga link kung nasaan to. So, paano yun lang. Peace.